It's Idiom Monday, and we are picking the idiom for Monday, June 10th. Miss the boat.
And for today's idiom of the day, to miss the boat. But what does that really mean? When you miss the boat, there's an opportunity that lies before you, but maybe you hesitate, maybe you wait, and the next day that opportunity is gone. For example, yesterday I saw an excellent job opening in the newspaper, but I decided to relax and do nothing about it. Today, I wanted to apply for the job, but the job was closed. I missed the boat on that job opportunity.
Like, follow, and subscribe to RPI College for more idiom videos.